What's up guys, and this week vlog we travel all the way from Portland to St. Ann to get some cool pudding. And what better place to travel when going to St. Ann other than Jus Coool. So we went there to the restaurant. Now on the way going, we bought a lot of crabs, juice and those things on our journey. Now we have finally reached our location and this is our experience. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here, so I'm out here at St. Ann. So we're gonna check out the little restaurant, foodie restaurant. The name is Jalove, right across the street there. So the guys also are going, you understand, so keep it locked.
So yeah, this is my son in Jamaica, you know. Welcome to Jamaica, you know. Welcome to the pudding place over there. That them sell a lot of pudding, all type of pudding, pumpkin pudding, you know, all those things, you know. Yeah.
So out here now, one cross the road here now. Go across the street. The road kinda busy. Any idea? Yeah man.
Yeah.
Go in, ada.
Yeah, no, stay here, you go.
As you can see right outside, right on the pizza, there's a lot of pudding and coal fire. So coal on the bottom, coal on the top. That's how we do it in Jamaica.
Out here, picking it up.
Out here, them go something bring from. Out here, them go bring it from.
Yeah, they make it out here. Like they make it inside, right in that over on that side, and then they bring it out here.
Yeah, pudding must smell nice. Out here, no? Fireside, well hot. Yeah, well blazed up, you know? Well hot. Now after we have gathered our pudding, we went to a nearby beach just to sit and relax and enjoy our meal.
Let me move this in before this drop down on you, bro. I know why you're gonna tell people when it drop down on it. What are you gonna say to people when that they drop down on it? Huh? You warm? You cool?
It's cool. Cool breeze are blowing, no?
That's already a two-piece, yeah. A two-piece already.
Hot money, hot. Well hot. Yeah. Well hot, you know? Yeah.
What's up in you,
Come on. Cool, yeah. How about it?
MJ.
But right now they are going easy. Could be side. That's it. Vibes, no? Yeah. Yeah. Out here, no? Beach side, yeah. Food taste, bro. It's nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's how we there enjoy it. Me and Ackeem, you know, alongside Veron, you know. Mommy, you see it over here, so we there. Just enjoy the world. All people from America, England, Africa, all about, come to Jamaica. Yes, I think that. Yeah, man, pudding we are eat, you know.
Yeah. Just the vibes, you know? There, man.
Full joy.
Yeah. The beach side the same way. So I enjoy it. You know, place nice. Yeah, man.
bad. Man, very good, bad.
They're the best of Vern. Vern?
MJ said that he want to take a swim, so we're bringing to some for the water.
Yeah. Love the water, you know. Yeah, so we're out here. Yes guys, so right now I'm there by beside the beach. Go and chill. Enjoy the little nice wind, you know, breeze and everything.
It was getting late, so we had to leave because of the curfew time in Jamaica, and we had to reach back in Portland on time. So on our way going back, we stopped in the town of Ocho Rios to get some food.
Out here, no? Naive, you know.
Now it has come to the end of our video as we journey back to Portland. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Stay peace as always. I'm out.